How's it going, guys? We just arrived in Aso in Kumamoto Prefecture to do a camping adventure with my buddy Sho. How's it going?
I'm Sho, how are ya?
I'll put a link to his channel down below, so if you guys like camping and adventures, definitely go and subscribe to his channel. So this is Sho's car here, and you've mainly done it like custom, right?
Yeah.
Custom built.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got the normal one
Yeah.
and then modified by myself.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. So what kind of modification have you done to the car?
Suspensions.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You can see the orange one right here.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
So what kind of suspension is that?
This leaf is like a bit higher, like 1 inch.
Oh, so it gives it like a
Lifter?
lift
Yeah.
kind of. Yeah.
And then softer.
Yeah, yeah.
And like if we get a wind, it's gonna be like really unstable.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So some like kind of like suspension, like
Oh,
sustain the body.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's
it's a bit
gonna
more
be
stable.
more stable,
Right, right, right.
especially when we go on the highway.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, and the same as on the front as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And you've got, what are those RT tires? Is that like kind of like all-terrain?
Kind of like this one is a RT means rugged terrain.
Is that like in between all-terrain and
Yes,
tire or
that's
something?
it, yeah.
Oh,
Hmm.
that's pretty cool. Is it kind of like new one?
I think they are within 2 years.
Oh,
It's new.
nice.
Yeah, Toyo's.
So have you added like all of this
Mm.
like ventilation and
Yeah,
stuff
yeah,
like
yeah,
that?
yeah.
Nice.
So especially in the summer.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can open the window.
Nice.
No insects come in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I've got the same one in the back as well.
Yep.
This one, like
Oh, nice. So when you're sleeping, you can.
yeah.
Also
we
keep
can-
bugs
we-
out and
yeah,
stuff, right?
We can leave the door open, no bugs inside.
Nice.
There's a, like I bought this one like a bed kit,
Yep.
and then this is a separate. You can see it.
Oh, yep, yep.
Yeah, this is a separate,
Yep.
so we can flip it like that,
Ah,
like
okay.
that.
So if you want to have the space,
Yeah,
you can.
we can put some like
change it.
bicycle or like
Nice.
more stuff inside.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very
This
cool.
one is like sunshade.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then I put this pole on the
Oh.
both sides.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
so we can put hangers, some towels.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then like that, like strings.
Yeah.
Over
Ah,
there.
nice. You can get
We
some more
can-
privacy.
Yeah.
Nice. So you also put the roof rack, right?
Yeah, mate.
And you got ladder going up there.
Yeah, this is a Rheinrad
Yeah.
Australian brand.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah, this is like very expensive one
Yeah.
actually.
It looks
Like,
expensive.
Yeah, if I could say Aussie dollars, it's about to 2,500.
$2,500.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
And this awning is also like 1,500.
Yeah. Okay. So it's pretty expensive setup.
Yeah, and then
But it's really big.
yeah, this one is huge, like 2.5 meters.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then
Yeah. Yeah.
270 degrees.
Yeah. It's 270.
Yeah, that one we start from that one.
Yeah.
And then it's like we call this one bat wing.
Ah. Okay. It
Yeah, yeah.
extends like a wing.
Yeah. And then this one is like extension, like cover. Like
Nice.
we can put the pole extension covers if you want.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We put it just tonight.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, but you can make it even bigger.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
This one's with doors. So
Oh, yep.
if you don't use the pole,
Yep.
so especially in a rainy day,
Yeah.
just put it down.
Yep.
No rain come inside.
Yep.
And but still we can get sunshine from here.
Ah, like a sunroof.
Yeah.
Kind of. Nice. Very cool.
I
Wow.
have two surfboards.
Yeah.
Here, and then I put the like kids bicycle in here.
Yep.
All the time, and there's some box in here.
Yep.
And then this is an aluminium box.
So it's just storage.
Yeah. We keep some like camping stuff and
Nice.
this is some tools.
Yep.
Just in case.
Nice.
And then extra chairs, some stuff. floating. I don't know how to call this one.
Life jacket.
Life jacket.
Yeah.
Some towels and down jacket for winter just in case.
So it's kind of like emergency things.
Yeah, yeah,
Just in case.
just in case. Yeah,
The just in case box.
yeah. But I'm gonna put another one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm planning to put another one. Same
Yeah,
stuff.
heaps of storage.
Yeah, this is kind of like a butt, right?
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you see it from
Oh,
the top.
yeah. Massive bat wing. Nice.
It's good, eh?
Very nice, dude.
Worthy.
This is like a proper Australian overlanding vehicle.
Yeah, because like me and my wife
Yeah.
is planning to go around Australia with this car.
Yeah, yeah. You're gonna send it over on the ferry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why we need professional stuff.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
横になっちゃった鳩だと思ったけど。
Sounds good.
Nice. Good sound.
いいよいいよ持ってって。
姫、イングリッシュ喋れるでしょ、ちょっと。
なんかでも私みんな。
Looks good, eh?
Looks great.
あれ。これでいくらぐらい？でも合わせて1300いくらとかだったから
700円ぐらい。この木めっちゃ長持ちしてるからさ、
400円だよね。
うちのやつは400円やけど、質が全然違う。こんなボロボロの枝とか入ってるからガリガリの枝。
でも長かったじゃん。
長かった。でもあっちの方が絶対長いやろ。
そうなんだ。いいね。
Video time. Where's the beetle?
It's gone.
どこ行った
Flying away.
Crazy big beetle.
Wasn't a moth.
It was a beetle.
Kind of yes.
怖かった？
どこ行った
Probably.
取りたかったよね。ごめんなさい。でも何もこっちにいるかな。
どこいる
どこ行ったかな。
なんか横にいたように見えたけど。
どこかなチェック。
チェックしたくない。虫嫌いだもん。
見たも虫嫌いだもん。
This big motherfucker. Oh, fuck. Oh, 大きい。
出ました。
怖っ。
でかかったね。
A camping cat.
キャッツどこにいる？
Hello cat. かわいい。
どっち？キャッツ。キャッツはどこ？
Under my car. Good morning everybody, it's 7 o'clock here from the campsite in Mount Ussel and we're just getting ready to start the day. I've just been doing a little bit of exploring around the campsite because when we got here last night it was totally dark so we couldn't really explore it all, but it's beautiful here. I'll link a link down in the description below of where we stayed. We've got some weather coming in, so in about the next hour we're going to have 24 hours of rain, so that kind of puts a damper on what we can actually do, but hopefully it won't affect our plans to explore too much. Just to give you a bit of a tour of the campsite, that's like a community area. And over here is, I guess you could consider it glamping, pre-made tents that you can sleep in and rent out. And they're pretty popular. I guess not everybody has a tent, and that's kind of convenient for people that want to sort of dip their toes in camping. So we were extremely lucky. We had this entire area to ourselves, so no noisy neighbours, we could put a bit of music on. Extremely lucky. Now for those of you who have been camping before, I'm sure you can appreciate not wanting to camp in wet weather, and with like the rain forecast and whatnot, I decided to set up the Pajero to have like I can get a full double bed mattress in there. It's actually pretty comfy once you got all the seats laid down flat, so we didn't set up the tent this time, and it probably won't set it up tonight in the rain, so that's all good. Show's got a really good tarp. It's huge, it's like a bat wing, so we've just been sitting under that.
Right here, Jack camping, mate.
Lunchtime. What's the plan, buddy?
Oh, we're gonna be headed to Kuoka Onsen,
Yep.
and we're going to family onsen.
Yep. Check it out.
Check it out.
Nice.
It's gonna be nice.
Nice on a rainy day.
Yeah.
So cold. What is this place? Is it famous onsen or something?
I don't know.
Just search.
Yeah.
Nice.
Look nice, man.
Yeah. looks
Only
awesome.
only they have the two spot.
Oh yeah.
Uh,
Nice.
the rest of them is the only one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Big rain. No, this place is awesome. I love the atmosphere of like the rain. And this outside onsen is private. It's massive. And then your wash station is outside too. That's awesome.